Hey guys! Welcome back to Amazing Food MN, the place where flavor meets convenience. Today, we're diving into one of the coolest kitchen hacks ever, breakfast meal prep. If your mornings feel crazy busy, or if you're tired of skipping breakfast and running out the door with just coffee, then stay with me. Because today, I'm gonna show you easy, tasty, and super quick breakfast ideas that will save your time, save your money, and honestly, save your mornings. Let's roll. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but many people skip it because mornings are busy, stressful, or rushed. Meal prep can change all of that. With a little planning, you can make your mornings smoother, faster, and way more delicious. The best part? You don't have to be a professional chef. Anyone can do this with simple ingredients and basic steps. Let's start with one of the most popular breakfast meal prep ideas, overnight oats. These are easy, healthy, and totally customizable. Just grab a jar or a container, add rolled oats, milk or yogurt, a little honey, and your favorite fruits. Shake it up, put it in the fridge, and boom, your breakfast is ready the next morning. You can make different flavors for the whole week. Some people like blueberry oats, others love chocolate banana, and some enjoy apple cinnamon. It's your call. The best thing is, these oats stay fresh for up to 4 days, and they taste amazing straight out of the fridge. Now let's move to something warm and cozy, egg muffins. These are basically mini omelets that you bake in a muffin tray. They're packed with protein and super convenient to heat in the morning. To make them, whisk some eggs, add salt, pepper, chopped veggies, cheese, or even cooked chicken. Pour the mixture into the muffin tray, bake for 15 to 20 minutes, and you're all set. Store them in the fridge, and every morning, just microwave 1 or 2. They're perfect for school mornings, office mornings, or even lazy Sundays. Another great meal prep idea is breakfast burritos. These are extremely popular in America because they're filling, flexible, and perfect for on-the-go mornings. You can stuff them with scrambled eggs, cheese, beans, peppers, or sausage. Whatever you enjoy. Once the burritos are ready, wrap them in foil or freezer bags and store them in the freezer. When you need one, toss it in the microwave or warm it in a pan, and it tastes just as fresh as the day you made it. These burritos can last up to a month in the freezer, which makes them super convenient. If you're someone who likes a sweet breakfast, then pancake meal prep is a game changer. You can make a big batch of pancakes on Sunday, let them cool, and store them in the fridge or freezer. In the morning, all you have to do is pop them in the toaster. They get warm, fluffy, and slightly crispy, just perfect. You can add blueberries, chocolate chips, bananas, or oats to the batter. Serve them with syrup, butter, or fruits. Kids love these, and honestly, adults do too. Another fun breakfast prep idea is smoothie packs. If you enjoy smoothies but hate chopping fruits every morning, this is for you. Take freezer bags, add your favorite fruits, like bananas, berries, mango, pineapple, and freeze them. When you're ready to make a smoothie, just dump one pack into a blender, add milk or juice, and blend. It saves time and keeps your ingredients fresh. Smoothies made this way taste cold, creamy, and refreshing. Let's talk about a wholesome, crunchy option, homemade granola. Store-bought granola is often expensive and full of sugar. But making it at home is simple. Mix oats, nuts, seeds, a little honey, and some oil. Bake until golden and crispy. Store it in an airtight jar. You can use this granola with yogurt, milk, or even as a snack. It stays fresh for weeks and tastes way better than store-bought. If you're a fan of bread, you'll love meal prep avocado toast kits. Of course, you can't make avocado toast days ahead because the avocado will brown. Instead, meal prep the toppings. Slice cherry tomatoes, clean spinach, cook eggs, and store everything separately. In the morning, toast your bread, mash your avocado, and add your toppings. It takes just 2 minutes and tastes absolutely amazing. Another protein-rich idea is Greek yogurt parfaits. These are easy, healthy, and look beautiful. Layer yogurt with berries, mango, or apples. Add granola right before eating to keep it crunchy. These parfaits stay fresh for 3 to 4 days and make a great grab-and-go breakfast. For people who prefer something light, chia pudding is a great choice. Mix chia seeds with milk, add honey, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. The seeds soak up the liquid and turn into a creamy pudding. Add fruits, nuts, or chocolate chips, and enjoy. Let's move to a classic American breakfast, French toast meal prep. Make a batch of French toast slices, let them cool, and stack them with parchment paper. Store them in the fridge or freezer. In the morning, heat one slice in a pan or toaster. Serve with syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar. Now, if you're a busy person who needs something heavy and filling, breakfast bowls are perfect. You can make bowls with scrambled eggs, roasted potatoes, spinach, beans, cheese, or chicken. Store everything separately. In the morning, put them together and warm them. They're super satisfying and give you energy for the entire day. Another great idea is banana bread meal prep. Bake a loaf of banana bread, slice it, and store it. In the morning, warm a slice and enjoy with butter or peanut butter. Banana bread stays fresh for a week and is perfect for meal prep. Let's talk about protein oats jars. These are great for gym lovers or people who need energy early in the morning. Add oats, protein powder, milk, peanut butter, and bananas into jars. Mix and refrigerate. It gives you a strong, healthy breakfast in under 1 minute. And finally, you can also prep breakfast quesadillas. Fill tortillas with eggs, veggies, or cheese, fold them, and cook. Store them in the fridge or freezer. Heat them in the morning and they taste fresh and crispy. With these meal prep ideas, you can make your mornings smooth and stress-free. You'll save time, save money, and enjoy better food every day. Alright guys, that's a wrap. I hope these breakfast meal prep ideas help you kickstart your mornings with less stress and more flavor. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Amazing Food MN, and drop a comment telling me which recipe you want to try first. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next delicious video. Stay awesome and stay hungry, in the best way.